Hi, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you all the box accessories with which OnePlus 11 device comes. So let's first open the box. So this is the paper box. Let's just open it. And here we can find some paperwork, like the safety guide, the quick start guide, and the warranty card. Also we got here the SIM eject tool and some stickers of OnePlus 11. So let's just check more accessories. This is the case for our device, and also we got here the charger brick, the original one with all of the specs, and this is the USB Type-C cable. So that's it. There are all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.